The Fulani Supreme Court Administrator of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, escapes the gospel of unknown gunmen in Owerri. Hear the news in details. Wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of freedom all over the world, you are welcome to Biafra Unite channel /television. This very wonderful moment. The information reaching us has it that Hope Uzodinma, the Fulani Supreme Court Administrator of Imo State, has escaped the gospel coming from unknown gunmen in Owerri. Yesterday, being the 21st of March 2021. My people. Yes, the game is coming to the side where everybody now will be jubilating. Everybody now will see the outcome, the power and the sweetness of these very angels sent by Elohim we call unknown gunmen. The time is fast approaching when every Biafran will begin to jubilate for the benefit of unknown gunmen. Hope Uzodinma, you escaped yesterday does not mean that you are going to escape tomorrow. Yes, he escaped in Owerri. At least this very one will make him to understand that the atmosphere is not good for him. I want Hope Uzodinma to understand, including other Eastern governors, any governor, any office holder in Biafra land, anybody occupying political office in Biafra land, be it from local government to state government, as long as Biafra land is concerned, bear it in mind that you are an enemy of the people. That is one thing you must go to sleep with this very night. You are an enemy of the people, and anywhere we see you, we are going to deal with you. Apart from somebody, Ayade, if I'm not mistaken, Ayade, I think is a governor of Akwa Ibom State. Yes, Akwa Ibom State. Yeah, because that one we have not actually seen what he has done, which I can condemn. Yes. So I want to tell every other governor in Biafra land that your life is in danger. Let me put it that way. We are not hiding it because you know. All of you, you know. You know very well that wherever you are being caught, we are going to deal with you because you are evil. Some of us voted you in to go and represent us. When you get there, you ally with the Fulani Janjaweed who are killing our people, our oppressors, in order to oppress us more and more. Then any slighted mistake, you invite the Janjaweed army to come and start killing our people. As I'm talking to you right now, Willie Obiano has as well invited the Janjaweed army. They are now in Anambra State. They are on the ground as I'm speaking now. Yes, the Janjaweed army, Fulani from Sahel. As I'm talking to you right now, they are on the ground in Anambra State. In case you are not aware, be very careful the way you move at night. I'm telling you, my fellow brothers and sisters, my Biafran brothers, be at alert, be careful on how you walk at night, the whole of Anambra State, especially on Oka axis. Be very careful because that murderous idiot in the government house in Oka has invited the Fulani Janjaweed army, the ex-Boko Haram members who were integrated in Nigerian army, gave them ammunition and AK-47 to go about killing innocent civilians. They are on the ground in Anambra State as we are speaking right now. But I want to assure them that Hagaga Ije Ndi Ozogra. The same way others are paying with their blood for the murderous tendencies they have against the Biafrans, that is the same way this very current set of them on the ground now are going to pay with their lives, one after the other. One by one they will pay, irrespective of the ammunition they have come with, because they were spotted with a lot of ammunitions, 2 Helios van, 1 Sienna, and other small cars they came with, loaded with full loaded with ammunition. We saw them. So anybody working at night right now, anything from 7 o'clock should be very careful. Limit the way you work at night and make sure you get home at least 6 o'clock so that you can give them chance. Whatever they see on the road, let them take it. But I can assure them that definitely victory is sure for the Biafrans because Aka Idiocha. Our hands are clean, very, very clean. They are the one killing us. We are here in our land. We don't kill them anywhere. We are here in our land. Let them leave us alone. We want to live the life that Elohim has designated for us. Why are they killing? Why are they trying? Why are they chasing us here and there? Why are they chasing us? Even they are chasing us in our own God-given land, in our ancestral land, in Biafra land. And we are saying enough is enough. So today, Hope Uzodimma Agotago Ifeanyi Ukwu, and it's not over yet. Yes, you escaped yesterday, like I said before, but you are not going to escape tomorrow. But the same thing will also go to every other governor in Biafra land, including Nyesom Wike and Okezi Ikpeazu, all of you, both the idiot in Ebonyi State, all of you will go down for colluding with the enemies to kill your people. We are coming to you one after the other. Thank you, my people. Share this news and make it go viral.